There are tons of videos and blog articles out there teaching you how to change your own garage door springs. That's something I'm always going to say, hire a professional. Sure, maybe you're gonna save some money changing your garage door spring by yourself. And maybe you're gonna learn a new skill that you could potentially use in the future. But that is a big maybe. I say this because some homeowners that change their own springs don't get the right springs for their garage door and don't know what to look for when it comes to other repairs. Funny enough, I was on the phone the other day with somebody and the guy was talking about wanting to change his own springs. I told him I didn't think it was a good idea because he didn't know exactly the type of spring he needed, meaning he could have easily put the wrong springs on his door. This can cause issues with the door and he could have potentially hurt himself.
Now that's a lot of damage!
When you use a professional to change your springs, yes, it is going to cost you more money, but you are not only saving hours of your life, not having to research how to measure a spring, research how to change the spring, and then watch a video while changing the spring because there are so many steps that go into it to do it correctly. But you're also putting yourself in potential dangerous situations. Now look, as a professional, I can't speak for the whole industry, but I know for me, I'm going to weigh your door to make sure you have the exact springs for your garage door for proper operation. I'm gonna check your cables to make sure they aren't rusted or fraying or showing any signs of breaking. I'm gonna inspect all the moving parts of your garage door to make sure everything is in line and nothing is worn. And lastly, I'm gonna lubricate your entire door. That's just an advantage you get for hiring a company. Choosing whether you want to DIY your garage door spring replacement or hire a company is completely up to you. But always make sure you are safe if you want to DIY it. Garage door springs are not worth getting hurt, and if you aren't 100% confident doing it, don't risk it. If you enjoyed this video, you can learn how much a garage door spring replacement costs in this video right here. Also, don't forget to leave a like if this video helped you out at all. And I'll see you in the next one.